Welcome to the Auxwall Gym Management application. In this tutorial, you will learn about the different gym reports available in the Auxwall Gym Management application. First, Salesperson Report. This report lets you view transactions associated with individual sales staff, helping you evaluate their performance effectively. Next is the Personal Trainers Report. This provides valuable insights into each trainer's client base and session counts, giving you a clear view of their activity and engagement. Next is the Freezed Members Report. With this, you can monitor the status of members who have frozen their memberships, including essential details like dates and statuses. Let's get started with the tutorial. First, click the Accounts tab in the Dashboard section. Then, click on the Gym Reports tab. Here, you will see a list of available report options. First, let's start with the Salesperson Report. Click on the Salesperson Report tab. This report displays all transactions created by all users. To view reports for a specific user, select the user from the drop-down list. The report will show all transactions associated with that user, including customer names, voucher IDs, and total amounts. For guidance on creating staff or users, please refer to the Create Staff tutorial. Next, let's move on to the Personal Trainers Report. Click on the Personal Trainers Report tab. This report provides an overview of personal trainers, including trainer name, total clients, total sessions, total amount. The Personal Trainers Report provides insights on members enrolled in personal training and tracks their sessions. Members can record their attendance and update information related to personal training through the mobile application. In the app, there's a personal training option where members can log their attendance and enter physical metrics. This enables trainers to monitor each member's attendance, track completed sessions, and see which clients are actively engaged in personal training with each trainer. Next, let's move on to the Freezed Members Report. Click on the Freezed Members Report tab. This report displays all members who have been frozen, along with relevant details. For members who are currently frozen, the until date will be marked as invalid date, and their status will be labeled as frozen. If a member has been unfrozen, the until date will indicate the date they were unfrozen, and their status will be labeled as completed. Thank you for completing this tutorial. If you have any questions or need additional assistance, please feel free to contact us. We appreciate your use of the Auxwall Gym Management application.